In this video, you will learn how to form sentences and questions using may and may not. This topic is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, may and may not are used in situations that are possible or could be possible. For example, she may lose her job. Or, I may not eat chocolate after dinner. It is also used when asking for permission. For example, may we go to the amusement park? Let us look at how to form positive sentences using may. Begin with the noun or pronoun. Add may, followed by the verb and extra information after the verb. For example, she may lose her job. Or, I may eat chocolate after dinner. To form a negative sentence, use may not. Begin with the noun or pronoun, add may not, followed by the verb and extra information after the verb. For example, she may not lose her job. Or, I may not eat chocolate after dinner. To form a question, begin with may. Add the noun or pronoun and then the verb. Add extra information after the verb and end it with a question mark. For example, may I come inside? Or, may we ask you for a favor? To reply to questions beginning with may, use yes you may while giving permission and no you may not while refusing permission. Now you know how to form sentences and questions using may and may not.